In TermWeb, you can attach different types of files, images, PDFs, and recordings directly onto a concept. You can also create internal or external links using cross-references. To do so, edit a concept or term, find a field with either text, highlight that text and right-click. This will pop up a menu showing Add Cross-References or Add Attachment. If you add attachment, it will replace that text with the attachment that you choose. In this menu, you can also choose to upload new files by clicking on the New File menu. You can also choose an empty field and right-click to add an attachment directly to that field. In that case, you can click on the file, click Done, and Save. And you will now see your image available to you in that field. Thank you for this demonstration. If you attach a cross-reference to text, this will allow you to select a specific term or concept that you want to link to. You can choose different types of links in the menu. You can also choose to have an external link where you can paste the URL that you want to use. After you have attached a cross-reference and saved, you should now see the cross-reference in blue. If the cross-reference ever is broken, meaning that there is no target term or concept anymore, the link will show up in red.